Did you know that many people do not honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day? My job is one of them. My job told me I got to go to work today. Family, I'm mulatto, I'm mixed, I'm light skinned. I should have this day off. Check it. Many businesses, many individuals do not take off Dr. King Day. I know that most of the schools take the day off, according to my knowledge. However, I'm going to honor this day. Check it. Within my community, many, I would say the majority, do not honor Dr. King Day. My community is the Israelite community, aka the Hebrew Israelite community, aka the Black Hebrew Israelite community. I don't refer to my community as Black Hebrew Israelites. I don't call myself a Black Hebrew Israelite. I don't even call myself a Hebrew Israelite. I prefer Israelite. That's a sidebar. Did you know that many Israelites, they don't honor Dr. King? In fact, many hate Dr. King. And it's a damn shame. Dr. King, his sacrifice, his commitment, his love, we should honor Dr. King. Today, I do not only acknowledge Dr. King. Today, I acknowledge civil rights. Many in my community believe you should go to work on Dr. King Day. I disagree. I'm glad this day is a federal holiday. I disagree with John McCain. If y'all get that reference, you know where I'm coming from. If you don't, laugh now, figure it out later. Today, I honor civil rights. To me, Dr. King Day is Civil Rights Day. This country is not perfect. I'm born and raised in the United States. This country has an evil history. However, this country has made great advancement, improvement, and I'm thankful for all of it. I did not live during the time of Dr. King. I did not live during Jim Crow. I did not live during chattel slavery. I encourage you, family, to be thankful and to be grateful for the rights that we have today. Be thankful that we get to eat at whatever restaurant we choose. Be thankful we are able to live wherever we choose. Our ancestors, now they had it rough. You think you got it rough? You ain't got no idea. If you think you got it rough, you better ask somebody. You better talk to the elders. We gotta listen to our elders. We have to know our history. We have to know where we came from. We have to know who we serve, and that's the Most High. Whether you celebrate Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day or not, at least be thankful and grateful. All praises, all honor, all glory to Yah.